Hi dear friends from all over the world. We're going to have a look in my nursery. And we see here that the walls are changed. The insulation work is done. And we have painted it in a light yellow color. I don't know if you can see that very well. But that's the color, almost the same color as the wallpaper. So, and here is my sweet, cute Noah. And she is dressed in the same slipper, the same outfit as her twin sister, well, almost twin sister, Danielin, in Montreal. And they have put on the same Care Bear outfit. So I did change her and did a tour in my nursery. Maybe I put this video on, I'm not sure yet. But I was very ill because of the vaccination for corona, and then I didn't have the energy to make a nice movie from what I did record. So today it's Tuesday already, and you have probably missed me, probably not, but maybe you've missed me, and that was because of all the work we had to do. We still have to paint our bedroom. The bedroom of our foster daughter is also painted. So we have some work to do, but my nursery or hobby room is ready. And I have something new to show you, because we found a little lovely crib on the internet. Yeah, and let's see, let's look who's in there. Oh, it's Rafaela. Let's see, is he awake? I think she's getting awake. Yeah, hey Rafaela, are you there? Well girl, you're still in your summery outfit. Yeah, so I will dress you in another outfit with birds on it, because last Thursday the theme was birds, and I have a lovely cute little dress with birdies on it. So I'm going to change you, and I'm going to change your sister Noah in dresses with birds on it. So let's take you to the changing table. So here we are at the changing table, and I'm going to show you the sweet dress I have with birdies on it. So it's a pink sort of cardigan, but it's all in one. So that's pink, and there's a collar with the birdies and other things like leaves, flowers over it. And that same fabric is also, the dress is also made from the birdies. Can you see the birds? There's a flying bird, a sitting bird, another sitting bird. So there are all kind of birds, and it's with a dress, and it's all in one. So, and there at the bottom you have two buttons at the back. I mean at the back you have two buttons. So that's the sweet dress, and it's from the baby club. It's size 56, so it's small, and that's why it's for our Rafaela. So we're going to dress Rafaela, and Rafaela is the Rika sculpted by Lynn Sharon. She is reborn by Dee Reborn Nursery from Portugal. So, and she's making very lovely babies. Rafaela was my birthday present from last year from my dear husband. Anyway, I'm going to change her now, and in the meanwhile I can have a chat because I feel better. Yeah, I really feel better. So I've regained some energy, and I'm very happy that my room is ready again, so that I can make the videos. So, and I am also very happy and grateful that the insulation work is done, of course, because when we get a cold winter, it will be warm here. So we didn't put on the heater yet, because of the reasons you all know, of course. The problems in the wild world with the raising prices. But it's not cold, no. I have a warm dress today, of course, but you can dress yourself warm. So, but our sweet Rafaela was dressed a little bit cold. Yeah, you were, dear. So, and we're going to do kickaboo. Yeah. So, yeah, and I have some things on the planning for my hobby. There is a kit on its way home. I bought it second hand from somebody in France who is stopping with her reborning hobby, and it's an authentic kit, so that's good to know too. So that is coming on its way to our house, and but I still have some kits to paint, and I hope to find time for that. So, oh, that's very cute on her. Yeah, that color is very cute with her ginger hair, a little bit ginger hair. It's very cute. Yeah. It's also very cozy, feeling very soft. So yeah, I'm going to do her hair a little bit because it's a little bit not so well. So, well, I hope you're all doing well. Maybe you've discovered that I don't find time or rest to watch all videos and to answer and to give comments, and so I'm a little bit worried about my hobby right now, because there is so much going on, and I just cannot find time for it. So yeah, we'll have to see. And yeah, I hope people that are watching my channel, and I am not always watching their channel, I hope you don't mind. I feel really bad about it and sorry for it, but it's not really possible for me at this moment. So here she is. my sweet cute Vela. Maybe I have to find a hairband for her. Let me have a look. Yeah, I have maybe. This is the right color. Yeah, it's very right color. That's a good thing, dear. And yeah, the shoes from Noah, but they are too big for her. Yeah, she has really very tiny feet, so I don't have shoes that fits her. But this is cute on her. It really is. So there she is, my sweet Raphael, and she says hello to her twin sisters and brothers all over the world. And there are some of them. Gil has a sister of her. Janae has a brother of her. So yeah, she has just such a cutie, lovely smile, and she's very possible. You see that? So and yeah. So I want to wish you a very blessed day. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Don't be discouraged or afraid for everything that's happening on this world, because we're sure of one thing, that we will be with our Heavenly Father. So when you know Jesus Christ as your personal Savior, and so I hope you don't be getting upset about everything. I also try to focus on good things in life and not letting the fear have grip on me. So I hope you can manage to do that also. I want to wish you all a very blessed day, and I love you all, and sending you my big hugs and many love from me and sweet cute Rafaela. Bye bye, love you all. So, and here I have my sweet Noah, and Noah is the Tobias sculpt by Laura Lee Eccles, and she is from the first edition. She is from the limited edition, so she has a number, and she is reborn by my friend April from April Reborns by Zebra, and she is wearing the lovely Care Bear outfit that I did get from dear friend Claudia, but it's a little bit summery, and so I put some pants under it and a t-shirt with long sleeves to twin with her sister Danielin in Montreal. So we did it. We shared pictures, and so but I didn't put on the video because I just hadn't the time to edit the video, so I'm skipping that, I think, although I did tell you some nice things in that video. But I am going to change her in a lovely dress that I did buy, a very fancy dress on Vinted, and it's with the bird on it. You see it? It's knitted with golden thread. It's very shiny and shimmery. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but here when the light is coming on, it's very shittering, shittering. I don't know if you call it like that, like stars. And here also in the dress that has many layers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 layers, and then under it an underskirt, so 6 layers. So, and it's from Orchestra, baby girl, size 6 months. So I hope it will fit our dear Noah. And yeah, I thought, well, now it's already new Team Thursday coming on, but I didn't last week, and I really wanted to put on this dress on my sweet Noah, so I'm going to do that. And in the meanwhile, I shall fast forward the video because else it gets too long. She has her t-shirt with Frenchie on it. I did get that in a box opening from April because she is a Frenchie. She is made in France by April, and April is from the US, but she's living in France, so she's a Frenchie. So I wanted to mention that to you. Well, I also wanted to show you the lovely belly plate that Noah has, and with her nice belly. So I thought that would be nice too, to show to you how that looks with the lovely button. How do you call this? So yeah, I wanted to show that also to you. So that was my interruption. Then what do we have here? We have a lovely onesie with a bird on it, a bird and a fox, a bunny, another bunny, the hedgehogs, and another flying bird. And here is a bird. So, and yeah, I thought that would be nice too. So it's with long sleeves. That's also good. So I'm going to put that on her. In the meanwhile, I did take off her belly plate, as you can see. So she is a shy girl. She is a very cute, lovely, quiet look in her face. And a friend of mine asked me if I could put on a picture of me as a baby, because maybe I like her so much because she looks like me. I don't know. I have to search for a picture, but I will do that. I think it's a good idea. It's nice. So we can do that. So, and yeah. In the meanwhile, you can watch my very cute, lovely Noah. Just a cutie. And I'm going to put on the dress and the pants, so, and I can fast forward. there she is, my sweet cutie pie. Cutie patootie. Sweet Noah. Oh, I think this is very cute. I bought it, I find it second-hand on Vinted. And I am waiting for some shoes that are matching with this. So I was hoping that it came on time. But it's still not there. It's already 3 weeks on its way. And I don't think the other shoes fit the dress. So I'm not putting shoes on her. So I leave it this way. And maybe I can put these socks with it. There are lace on the socks, maybe that would be nice. You can see. These are the socks from Primark that our dear friend Chris bought also. I saw exactly the same. The 4 socks, 4 of them. I saw them on her channel too. So that was a surprise to see. So yeah, I think this will be nice as sort of shoes in the meantime while waiting for her shoes. Yeah, that were shoes from Majuro that were on Vinted. You know, they are actually brand new because they are not put on so much. I'm not sure about this. What do you think? Or shall I find another one? This one was in the box opening. Ah, that would be good, I think. That's the same kind of color, but there's not a golden lay in it. But yeah, I think we do that, dear lovely girl. And we can do your hair a little bit. I'm not sure if you still can see her this way. Let me lift up the camera a little bit for you. So a little bit shadow, I'm sorry for that. It's a rainy weather here. Yesterday it rained all day. Today it's a little bit less, but still you see how curly her hair is when you make it wet. I like that very much. So April did a very good job with this lovely cute girl. I'm so happy to have her in my nursery. And yeah, probably she will buy the last purchase for a very long time. I will make some reborn babies myself, but it's not the same as a box opening. It was a very lovely box opening. So yeah, here she is. I've spread a little bit on her head. That's not what I wanted, of course. So okay, this was my video for last week, Team Thursday Birds. Noah in her sweet fancy dress with a bird on it. and the flower and the leaves in golden threads and with all the lace. It's really a party dress. And my sweet Rafaela in her dress with the birdies on it. So I hope you did like it, to see her, to see me, to see us together. We love you all. Take good care. Bye bye. Well, did I say something to you in the video about the package I was waiting for? There came an email and it's arrived. 3 weeks. Yeah. So these are the cute shoes. I thought that would be nice for Noah with her lovely dress. And these are other cute lovely shoes that can also go with the dress. And these are other lovely cute shoes from Majorel. There's hearts. Oh, maybe this one is good because there's also the glittery on it. So it's from Majorel. And I thought this one was also, yeah, this is also Majorel. So yeah. So, and then I don't know if you can see it. So the shoes are there. So yeah. Cutie shoes. And then I had some other things from her. A dress, vintage looking dress that can go for Team Thursday with the bows and the buttons. But I have to iron it, you see that? I always iron things because then also the germs are getting away. Sometimes I wash it, but it's smelling really good. So, and I bought this lovely summery dress with the butterflies because I like the butterflies. It's with many layers, so that could also go for Team Thursday. And then that lady also had this lovely suit that's from the Hema, and it's with, yeah, it's really for this time of the year. It's from the muslin fabric, and it's yeah, it's with long legs and also with buttons, so it's also possible for Team Thursday. So yeah, so that was my haul from Vinted, and I wanted to show it to you because yeah, that was something I mentioned in my video, that I was waiting for the shoes and they showed up. So isn't that lovely? Yeah. So yeah, okay, this was what I wanted to share and add to my video, and I will put on one of these 3 shoes on my sweet Noah. So here she is in her lovely dress with the cute shoes under it. Yeah.